Listen, today I am going to teach you a very important method called speaking into your listening. Please listen. Listen to these words. Speaking into your own listening. Many times people tell me, Swamiji, I know this is the right path, but I am not able to do. Why? What to do? Addictions. Unable to train yourself. Knowing something is right and not doing it. Knowing something is wrong and continue to do it. All this is because you are not able to speak into your listening. Means even you are not listening what you are saying. Am I right? Even you are not listening what you are planning. Even you don't have respect for your thinking. Then who will respect your thinking? How much your thinking is respected, that much you will be successful in your life. That's all. Understand? When you learn to speak into your listening, you will know how to speak into others' listening. Today I am going to teach you both. Speaking into others' listening, speaking into your listening. When you speak into your listening, you will become more and more Advaitic, authentic. When you speak into others' listening, you will become more and more expansive. How many of you understand what I am saying? See, life is all about speaking into your listening and speaking into others' listening. That's all. That's all. Nothing else. It is not just because I am in the speaking profession. Whatever may be your profession, it is nothing but speaking into yours listening, speaking into others' listening. Whether your family, love, life, friends, partners, business, team, wherever. Life is nothing but speaking into your listening and speaking into others' listening. Am I right? I have seen two doctors passing out from the same college. After 10 years, one is the owner of chain of hospitals. The another one is sitting in the same old village and reading the same old Hindu newspaper with a big glass, having patients come to remove the teeth for 5 rupee, injection 7 rupee. Same. Profession. If you are not able to speak into others' listening, how you practice, if you are able to speak into others' listening, the way you practice is totally different. How many of you understand what I am saying? So today, practicing to live, practicing our ability to speak into your listening and others' listening. What do you think as the ultimate reality in your life? Can anyone shout out? Just shout out from there. Enlightenment, bliss. I can say bliss is the utility word of enlightenment experience. Enlightenment is bliss is like applied science. Enlightenment is original science. Pure science. Speaking into your listening, speaking into others' listening. Now you all said, the ultimate reality is enlightenment. Today let us take few minutes. You pen down, listen. First pen down few ways how you are going to convince you, speak into your listening that enlightenment is the ultimate reality and how to make that as a lifestyle. Listen, first listen. Pen down something to speak into your listening. And second part, pen down how you are going to speak into the listening of your whole group and make them understand this is the ultimate reality. A small homework exercise. Then I will lead you to the main process. Just a small process. Understand? Listen. First, pen down few thoughts. It can be 1 page, 2 page. How you are going to speak into your listening. This is the ultimate reality I want to achieve. Second page, how you are going to speak into the group's listening. Make everyone in the group understand that this is the ultimate reality. You should be able to face their questions and get shaken. Why people are afraid of questions, They are afraid before they convince the other person, the questioner may convince them. When you are not sure about your position, you are afraid of questions. Few minutes. Shall we do this homework? Listen. This will really help you to raise your authenticity and the space of Advaita. It will help you in a big way. So the first question, how you are going to speak into your own listening and make you understand about the ultimate reality is enlightenment. It is required for you. How to achieve it, all that. And how you are going to speak into the listening of the group, teamily. Make them understand it is the ultimate reality for them. So each question at least answer in one full page. some reason you lost the whole $10 million. Again you start. What a big loss and foolishness, stupidity it is. Like that only many times you think, build a strategy about your life, come to a conclusion after 1 or 2 years of thinking. But suddenly you don't follow and you are back to square one. Then how much of energy is wasted in your confused thinking and time? How many of you understand that? When you don't have a power to speak into your listening, that is what exactly is happening to your life. And you don't even remember the loss you are going through. At least with money you know, because it is number. With this mind you don't even know the loss you are going through, because you don't know amount of energy going outlet. It's like a diarrhea, you can't measure. You only know how many times you went. How much you went, you don't know. Understand? Like that, how many years you wasted, you can understand. But not how much you wasted. You understand what I am saying? No, little raw example, that is okay. After all, I am a village boy, so that's all. That is why that speaking into your listening is required. I can give you one example. I decide yoga is good for me. It will cause my ultimate reality. Once now I decide, I don't need to convince me again, waste my time again into thinking into it. Every day I will be there on time doing yoga. Now only everyone understands what is speaking into your listening. It is possible. I'll make it happen. You pen down this process. The next step you will see, I'll make it happen.